Good morning, children. See, children, day before yesterday, regarding the grammar, we have discussed about the simple present tense negative statements. What we are discussing, children? Simple statements, negative statements, and in the simple children, and in the simple present tense negative statements, we have discussed about the negative state subject, singular subject as well as plural subject. Okay, today we will discuss about the exercises related to the topic. What we are discussing now? Simple present tense negative statements. Whenever our subject is plural, what you have to do, children? What you have to do? You have to use do not. When our subject is singular, you have to use does not. Do not or does not according to the subject. Or you can say if there is V1, you have to use do. If there is V1 with yes or yes, you have to use does. Okay. Now, plural subject we have discussed more examples. Coming to the singular subject, just we have explained you the structure and one example. Now, related to your textbook, children, this is the chapter number 4. Simple present tense. Simple present tense, negative statements is chapter number 5 given to you in your textbooks. Now let us see about the singular subject. See, children, if there is a singular subject in a sentence, singular subject, if we have to write the negative form of a sentence with the singular subject, what structure we have to follow along with the subject? You have to use does not along with the V1 object or other words. Okay, object or other words. What we have to use? If there is a singular subject, does not, to write the negative form. Let us see few examples. He plays hockey. Suppose, children, this is a statement given to you. He plays hockey. Now I have to write the negative statement for this. So first of all, identify the subject. Here, who is the doer of the action? He. Whoever the doer of the action is, that is known as the subject, and the action done by the subject is known as the verb. So here, subject, along with the subject we are using V1 with yes or es. If there is V1 with yes or es, we have to use does not or doesn't. So what is the negative form? He doesn't play hockey. And one more important thing we have discussed, children, yesterday. What is that? Whenever we are writing the negative form by using do or does, along with do or does, you have to use only V1. Along with do or does, you have to use V1 only. Now see, children, another example, then we will move to the exercise. Okay, it rains in October. It rains in October. See, children, this is a statement for which you have to give the negative. What I have told, identify subject, then identify verb. Here verb given to you is V1 with yes. Whenever there is V1 with yes in the sentence, you have to use does not to write the negative form. So what we can write the negative form? It doesn't rain in October. It doesn't rain in October. See, children, regarding this chapter, what we have discussed the negative statements with the singular subject and plural subject in the simple present tense. Negative statement, how to write the negative statements. And while we are writing the negative statements, children, you have to be very careful with the subject and the verb. When there is a singular subject, you have V1 with yes or yes in the statement. If there is V1 with yes or yes in the statement. To write the negative form, you have to use does not in the sentence. What you have to use? Doesn't. And when we are talking about the plural subject, whenever there is a plural subject, definitely in the positive statements, as we have learnt, we have to use V1 only. If there is V1, we have to use don't. Two important things we have to remember, children, always when we are writing the negative form. What is that? One is, whenever we are using do, does, you have to use V1 only. V1, do or does should be followed by V1 only. If you observe here, even though the positive statement contains V1 with yes, but when we are adding does, we are using V1. In the same way, when we are using do, we already discussed yesterday. In the same way, when we are using do, you have to write V1 only. This is one important thing, and this is the another important thing, short form negatives. Instead of writing do not, does not, you can use short form negatives. Coming to your exercise, children, they gave 3 Romans to you. Okay, I'll discuss one Roman now. Then you will be very clear with your topic. What is going on now? The topic is negative statements, simple present tense negative statements. Now they have given us few of the statements, children, to write the negative form. Okay, I'll write those statements on the board. See clearly. The sun sets in the east. Sets in the east. They told you to give the negative form. So I am keeping NEG in a short and I am leaving the place. Coming to the second one, they gave naughty boys. Naughty boys keep discipline. Naughty boys keep discipline. Coming to the third one, children, they have given us the girls ask many questions. The girls ask many questions. The girls ask many questions. This is the third statement. Coming to the fourth statement, children, 4 I am writing, then we will discuss one by one. Hema travels by bus. Hema travels by bus. Now, starting from the first statement, who is the doer of the action about which we are talking here in the statement? We are talking about the sun. The sun is the subject. I am writing in short, subject. What is the verb form given to you? Sets. What is sets? V1 with yes. What we have learned, whenever there is a singular subject, you will get V1 with yes. And whenever there is V1 with yes in the statement, you have to add doesn't to write the negative form. Doesn't. Now what you have to write here? Sets or set? Set. We have to write set. Doesn't set in the east. This is one. First one done for you. Coming to the second one. Naughty boys keep discipline. Naughty boys keep discipline. About whom we are talking here in the statement, children? We are talking about the naughty boys. Here, naughty boys is the subject. Keep V1. So, whenever we are talking about the plural subject in the simple present tense, you will get V1 in the sentence. Whenever there is V1 in the sentence, to write the negative form, you have to add do not. So, naughty boys don't keep discipline. Naughty boys don't keep discipline. Okay. This is one statement completed. Coming to the third one again, children, about whom we are discussing here. The girls asked many questions. We are talking about the girls. What we are talking about? The girls. So the girls is the subject, children. Ask is the V1 and this is the object. So whenever we are talking about the plural subject, you are getting V1 in the sentence, and whenever you are getting V1 in the sentence, you have to add do not to write the negative form. So what is the negative form here? The girls don't ask many questions. As my blackboard little bit small and congested here. Question. Okay, the girls don't ask many questions. Coming to the last one. Hema travels by bus. What is the subject of the sentence? Who is the doer? About whom we are discussing? Hema. We are talking about here Hema. So Hema is the subject of the sentence. Travels, V1 with yes. So whenever we are getting V1 with yes, children, to write the negative form, we have to add does not. Hema doesn't travel by bus. In this way, we have completed how to write the negative form when there is a singular subject and when there is a plural subject. Let us discuss, children, one more exercise related to the topic. See here clear. Whenever you are going to write a negative form in the simple present tense or any tense. Now we are discussing only about the present tense. First thing you have to remember is to identify the subject as well as the verb. If you are clear with your subject and verb, then easily you can frame the negative form of a given statement. Is it clear? Now let us see few blanks related to the topic. Few blanks we will discuss, children. First one. A gentleman dash not laugh at others. So if you see the blank, what is the subject given to you here? Gentleman. Is it singular or plural? Singular subject. So what you have to add? Does. A gentleman does not laugh at others. Coming to the second one. My father dash not drive car. Now, if you see the subject, what is the subject given to you? Father. My father. Singular or plural? Singular subject. So here again you have to use does. My father does not drive a car. Coming to the third one, children, we dash not throw stones. So here we is the subject. We singular or plural? Plural subject. So we have to use do. In this way, easily we can write the negative form of a given statement if you are clear with the subject as well as with the verb. Let us see one more example, children. Some trees. Here dash not grow in India. Dash not grow in India. If you see the given blank, children, some trees. Here some trees, plural subject. So here you have to use do. Do not grow in India. Today we have completed our topic, children. Simple present tense negative statement. Here two things very important. Whenever you are using do or does in the statement, use only V1. You have to use only V1. And one more, you can use short form negatives instead of do not and does not. If you have textbook, you can practice the Roman number 3 given to you. They have given us a paragraph and you have to complete it with the simple present tense. Very easy. Already we have learned about the positive statement as well as about the negative statements in the simple present tense. Next our topic children, simple present tense question forms. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about the topic, and till then you just practice about the simple present tense negative statements. Okay, have a nice day.